Millennium Hotel in Rotorua. And here's a little tour of the room. We have a little mirror. And then on the left is the bathroom. We have a little toilet. We have a trash can, fresh towels, an overhead shower, a tub, bath mat, and a bar of soap. Some amenities like a shower cap and shampoo and whatnot. And yeah. As you exit the bathroom, there's a little cabinet here, closet with some hangers, ironing board, a safe, and there are 2 beds. It's not that big of a room. And a TV. Beautiful day out. Oh, I forgot to show the little amenities last night. And there's like tea and coffee and a tea kettle. And also a little mini fridge right here. And there's nothing except a couple things of milk right there. And overall, this place isn't bad, but it's not the best. It is a little bit dated and grungy, so I just didn't feel super comfortable using the tea kettle. Especially after hearing about people using the tea kettle to like clean their underwear, and it freaks me out. I just took a shower. The shower was alright. It wasn't the best. I think I've been kind of spoiled. Like, I really do enjoy having a handheld shower now. And the fixed head over bath type shower head just doesn't do a good shower justice now. So yeah. And the bathroom is a little bit dated, and the toilet was a bit stained from, I don't know, just not being used maybe? I'm not sure. Anyway, this place isn't bad, but I don't know if I'd pay to come back here. Yeah, unless I really don't have anywhere to stay and like have to stay somewhere. But yeah, otherwise, here's the Millennium in Rotorua.